What's up guys, it's Khoi from Gentlemen Within, and in this video I'm going to show you 10 budget menswear pieces that are worth picking up right now. First, if you don't know who I am, my name is Khoi. I'm the founder of Gentlemen Within. I put out weekly videos on all things menswear related. We're talking lookbooks, how to wear certain pieces, brand reviews, and all that good stuff. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, then definitely consider subscribing. And while you're at it, just hit that notification bell so that you get alerts every time I put out an update. And for all the returning viewers and guys who have been with me since the beginning, or if you just started watching my videos, thank you for being here, for your support. It doesn't go unnoticed. Okay, so 10 budget menswear pieces, all under $100 that I think are worth looking into or that you should consider picking up for, these warmer spring and hotter summer months to come. And since it's spring/summer, we're gonna talk about lighter weights, lighter colors, and maybe even some brighter colors as well. And I've done all the research for you guys, and so I'm gonna have links down below to all the pieces that I talk about in this video, and I'll have some extras as well. All right, so let's get into my spring and summer 2018 fashion finds. All right, so number one is the white leather sneakers, and you can also go canvas here if you want. I say if you are just experimenting and you've never owned a white sneaker before, then it's worth it to go into like a fast fashion brand like Zara, H&M, try out what they have, because they're gonna have leather sneakers, premium leather sneakers for under $100 that you can try out and see if it's your aesthetic, if you like to even wear them at all. And so that's what I did last year when I purchased a pair from H&M for like 40 bucks, and they're actually pretty decent quality. I didn't wear it a ton, but I do like the aesthetic, and so it's definitely a type of shoe that I would invest in a little bit higher quality in the future. Number two is the suede bomber jacket, and I love me a nice bomber jacket, suede bomber, Alpha Industries type bomber. I really like the aesthetic, the nice street style vibe that it gives off, but a nice fitted suede bomber that's not too thick can actually be worn a little bit more dressed up, and so you can rock it with like a knitted tie. And just keep in mind that you don't want the suede bomber to be too thick. If it's too thick, it's gonna look chunky and a little bulky, and it just isn't a good look with the whole smart casual feel. But if it's a nice thin suede jacket, then you can definitely pull the look off. But yeah, I love bomber jackets. I did an entire lookbook on bomber jackets, so I'll link that for you guys up there. I just love that you can rock it casually cool with a t-shirt, and then you can go more upscale with like a nice button-down shirt and a necktie and tie bar and all that good stuff, and you'll still look fly. All right, so number three is the denim jacket, and if you've been following along with my channel for a little while now, then you know that I love a good denim jacket. In fact, I own 4 different denim jackets in varying shades, and so I'm always rocking one depending on the season. I'll pull out the darker wash when it's a little colder, and then lighter wash during the warmer seasons. But you can mix it up and wear dark wash in the warm seasons and light wash in the cold seasons. Just do whatever you want, really. But to me, the denim jacket is the all-purpose perfect layering piece for all 4 seasons, and so I love that you can layer it underneath like a thicker blazer or a thicker jacket, and you can wear it as a top layer. You can wear a vest underneath it, and so there's just so many different layering possibilities with a denim jacket, and not to mention it's a super stylish piece, and the denim jacket's a classic piece that will never go out of style. And so I recommend a nice slim fit denim jacket, nothing too loose or baggy. I mean, you can do that if you want. After all, a looser cut is more trendy these days, but I just still like a more slim, streamlined look, just because I'm a shorter gentleman too, and it just makes me look better and taller. Oh, and remember, if you're gonna rock denim on denim, just make sure that your denim shades have enough contrast between them so that you're not rocking that Canadian tuxedo look, Number 4 will be the lightweight sweater or jacket. So I was recently in Zara the other day, and I came across this really sick looking yellow jacket that I wanted to pick up, but they didn't have my size, and so I don't know, I might be ordering it online, who knows, but I think that there's a lot of potential with this jacket. But for lightweight sweaters, I feel that it ticks off the 3 C's, which are casual, cool, and comfortable. So when you're rocking a lightweight sweater, something like merino wool can really help to keep you cool, and I feel like it's just the perfect piece to just throw on. You can throw it on over top of a button-down shirt, or you can just wear it without one. And it's just a little more elevated than a basic t-shirt. And you'll look mad stylish rocking it if the fit is on point. As always, the fit is key. It's always got to be on point. And when the fit is on point, you're going to look good. But yeah, I love myself a nice lightweight sweater or jacket. When it gets a little bit warmer, just do a quick like roll up the sleeves and you're good to go. Okay, so number 5, we're talking NATO canvas watch straps. And so whenever the seasons start to change from winter to spring and it gets a little warmer, then that's when I swap all of my leather bands for NATO strap bands. Yeah, I love NATOs. It's a great way to inject a little pop of color and playfulness into your looks. And so, you know, with style, we try to have fun with it, right? And so in the spring and summer, it's the perfect time to experiment with that and just have a little fun. Throw in little pops of color here and there with a nice band with a little bit of color. But yeah, if you want to liven up your spring and summer looks, definitely swap out your leather bands, throw on that NATO strap, and you'll look fresh. All right, halfway there, number 5 is the lightweight vest. And if you've been watching my channel for a little while now, then you know that I'm a huge fan of this layering piece. In fact, it's my favorite layering piece because you can rock it over top of a button-down shirt. I like to wear it over top of flannels. You can wear it over a t-shirt. It's pretty versatile, and I love that you can rock it as a nice mid-layer as well. And so sometimes I will put a denim jacket over top of a nice padded vest. But yeah, just make sure that it's nice and light, and it'll just give you that nice streamlined, clean look. Lightweight vests are great. You know, they insulate, keep you warm on cooler nights. Best of all, they keep you looking stylish. And so rock this and rock it well, and you'll be looking stylish. That's number 6 is the casual unstructured blazer. And what unstructured means, you'll also see it as unconstructed, which means that the jacket has very little lining. So it's very light lining or no lining at all, and it has no shoulder pads. And so basically the jacket just has a nice looser drape and it's not like structured. You get a worsted wool suit with the trousers combination, it's gonna be more structured. It's gonna have some shoulder pads, more formal, more professional, but something that's unstructured is very casual and perfect for spring and summertime. And so I'm talking about fabrics like cotton and linen. You want them to be breathable fabrics. This is breathable tailoring that we're talking about. And so the unstructured blazer is the perfect smart casual jacket to wear. But yeah, the casual unstructured blazer is a definite must-have for all men this coming spring and summer season. Number 7, we're talking the basic t-shirt. And so whether you're a crew neck or a v-neck kind of guy, doesn't matter, you can't go wrong. They're both classic pieces to wear. The t-shirt is a definite classic that all men should have. In fact, you're probably wearing one right now. But you can't go wrong with either of these classic basics. You can wear them alone, you can wear them under jackets and blazers, and you may be surprised, but t-shirts can be worn very stylishly. In fact, I put together a definitive guide on the t-shirt, and so I'm gonna link that up there for you guys. Number 9, we're talking summer shades, and sunglasses are essential year-round pretty much. So long as the sun shines, then the shades will come out. In fact, I feel naked when I leave the house without wearing sunglasses these days. Not only are they stylish, protect your eyes from the UV rays, but they also prevent the crow's feet from when you're squinting so much. And so definitely summer shades are a way to go. Can't go wrong with classic silhouettes like the Wayfarer or like the Ray-Ban Clubmasters. Those are more like commercial mainstream silhouettes that people have been wearing these days. In fact, every brand has their own replica of it. ASOS has them for really cheap, and you can get them at like PacSun and All Express and H&M. But yeah, it also seems like the bigger bug-eye sunglasses have been more popular these days too. And so you can't go wrong with sunglasses. Just wear what you like pretty much. It's your face, it's your eyes. Do what you like with them. But yeah, summer shades, definite essentials. Last but not least, number 10 is the athletic jogger. And joggers are more of the athleisure aesthetic that I've kind of been gravitating towards lately. I really like it. Joggers can be worn very stylishly, and just got to make sure that the silhouette is on point. And so what I mean is that it's got to have a nice taper towards the ankle, and the ankle closing should be very tight around your ankle, or just, not super loose or baggy, There shouldn't be any excess fabric when you're rocking joggers. And so it'll look like you can be at the gym, but you can also be like just out on the street, grabbing a coffee or something like that. It's just a versatile look. But yeah, the key thing to avoid is the baggy look. And so you're not going to be rocking baggy sweatpants of yesteryear. You want to keep that nice, slim, tailored aesthetic, and you'll be looking mad stylish. Rock them with sneakers, Ideally, I like it. You can wear it with like trainers, you can wear it with like a Reebok classic style sneaker. And for me, since I'm a shorter gentleman, sometimes I like to cuff the sweatpants on the inside, and that'll give it that nice no break look, so I don't have to go get my joggers tailored. But yeah, rounding out the list, number 10 is athletic joggers. All right, hope you guys liked that video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, please consider subscribing. Put out new videos like this once a week. So yeah, hope you guys like that little list of 10 pieces that I think are great for picking up this spring and summer. And that's all I got, guys. Cheers to your style, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace.